What's good, man? It's your boy E coming at you with some finance solutions. Really quick, I just want to touch base. When in doubt, zoom out. Obviously, we all know that. And as we zoom out, we'll go to the 20-minute or the 30-minute. Look, when we ripped up here, you can look at this high right here. Obviously, there's some resistance up here, mainly around here. So you could look at that. But more importantly, look, I mean, obviously, bro, we gotta be overbought. If you just look at this chart right here, look, we're overbought. I mean, this is the SPY, but I mean, the Q should be even worse. I mean, they look about the same, but I traded both the SPY and the Qs. But look, obviously we're overbought. Look, running up decent here, pulling back, running up decent here, pulling back, running up decent here, and then gapping up again, fading, I guess, off the data and then popping up. But look, overbought. And if you go, I mean, you can even, I don't really use the MACD and the RSI that much, but if you just want to look at the RSI, look at all this, bro. I mean, we're at 85 here on the RSI. No, we're overbought. Anything over 70 is overbought. And we've been overbought like a mug. Look, and then you can see it on the MACD as well. You know, I don't really use that. Basically, the only thing I pay attention to is the price action, the volume, maybe the level 2, and then you need to be on the lookout for any major catalyst coming out. All right, but look, I just knew it was a matter of time that we'd have a day where we pull it back a little bit. I mean, we didn't even give that much back. Pretty much it was just an inside day for like swing traders or longer term traders and or investors. Obviously, we're overbought. Look at this. Look at this. Ripping, and even gapping up here. So I just knew it was a matter of time. And then, I mean, as usual, and the strat kind of worked. I mean, you can kind of say it worked because obviously, I mean, you're gonna get your pre-market high, pre-market low. Always grab those. You feel me? Pre-market high, pre-market low. Look, we got some data that made us pull back. I think we had a data set come out like at 8:15 or something like that. And look, and then pretty much we're on the pre-market low, but starting to put in higher lows and trend up. I mean, we kind of opened in the middle, but taking into account where we're coming from, you could say the scalp off the open worked, especially on Meta, as I've always been saying, bro. Look, it never fails. Look at this, dude. Come on, bro. Look at Meta, bro. You gonna tell me the scalp on Meta ain't fire? Right off the open, bro. Right off the open. So look, what was that? 670. So I mean, you be targeting the 670s. As soon as market opens, put them on. Boom. We're gonna pop up. You already have your bracket order set. You feel me? We're gonna rip up. Boom. Gonna take profits for you, and you immediately up on the day. And the reason why I don't take this trade a lot though is because it kind of breaks my rules. Because I don't like to trade directly off the open. But look at that. Look at that scalp off the open on Meta. Ain't been working, bro. Tried and true, dog. I've only been saying it for a couple years now.